It's Friday night in my household. We do a pretty easy dinner tonight. It's just the way it works. But it's always got to be special. Alright, so I'm in an area here where I've got a spa running at 37 degrees. We'll see. So there's my spa. But, you know, that's kind of impressive. But what's more impressive is that it's running out of all my gear. So over here we've got a still sitting on top of a really cool fire. This is an Australian made nectar. And the big deal here is, in the bottom drawer, whoa, there's dinner. So we got pork belly, we got ribs, we got the works. And this is wood fired. It's all coming out of this concoction. So this is Redneck Resort. Right, you'll see my sign over there. That's what I call my TikTok and whatever other channels. Because what I do is turn shit that's like $100 into luxury. This spa, $100. That's what I paid for it, alright? Now it's pumping really hot water in. Really hot water. We've got like, I don't know, I'll have a look for you. 37.4 degrees. So that's my little thermometer. 37 is pretty a sweet spot, you know. That's going to be a good night. Couple of burgers. First I've got to eat my dinner. So dinner's coming out. I'll give you a quick view of dinner. Oh, look at that beast of a thing. Nectar, mate. These stoves are called Nectars. They're Australian made. They cost about $3 grand. This thing was just sitting in a shed when I bought this house. Sitting in a shed. $3 grand. Baker's oven. What are you doing? Alright. Can you see that? Look at that shit. That's wood fired. Unbelievable. Pork belly. We've got a little side of a leg there. And we've got ribs. You know. This spa is worth no more than about $400. $100 for the spa, $100 for my gas service here, and you know, she just pumps out the heat. And I've also got solar panels on the roof that are water solar panels. So during the day, a little timer kicks in, starts heating up my water, does that for free. If I need a boost, I use my gas, but even better, I use this thing. So inside this still here, see that's water coming in at boiling. Inside this flue is 25 metres of copper. So inside that flue is wound copper. It goes up the outside and I drill the hole through the flue and then it goes back down through the inside directly in the fire. This thing has been on for an hour, cooking my dinner, heating my spa, 37 degrees, beautiful stuff. I'm in the spa in about half an hour, time to feed the family.